As we prepare for the start of the school year, I want to draw your attention to the new Ministry of Educational Transformation guidelines regarding cellular phone use in schools, effective September 8, 2025. Firstly, in our secondary schools, students in 4th, 5th, upper 5th, 6th, and upper 6th levels may use cell phones as tools to assist learning, but only under the supervision of a teacher and with the permission of the principal. This is an important step in integrating technology responsibly into our schools. For all other students and outside of these supervised learning opportunities, cell phones must be completely turned off. Not on vibrate, turned off, and stored securely in students' bags during the school day. It is essential that we sensitize students to the responsible and effective use of cell phones, as well as to the legal framework under the Computer Misuse Act, CAP 124B. Students must understand that sending indecent, threatening, or menacing electronic communication is a serious offense carrying significant penalties. Failure to comply with these guidelines may result in confiscation of the device for the remainder of the day if the principal deems it necessary. Please note that repeated breaches may lead to further disciplinary action. I thank all of you for your cooperation and your commitment to fostering a safe, focused, and productive learning environment.